GoTo Resolve is a powerful solution for remote IT support, but is it the right choice for your business? In this video, we're diving deep into GoTo Resolve, providing you with a step-by-step guide to using it effectively. Stick around until the end because, while GoTo Resolve is great, we'll also share some top alternatives that might just be a better fit for your needs. Let's jump in. First, GoTo Resolve lets you manage remote IT support from anywhere. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, which is a huge plus when you're dealing with multiple clients or team members. It simplifies the troubleshooting process, and setting up is straightforward, so you won't waste time fumbling around with complicated features. Next thing, GoTo Resolve offers instant remote control of devices, making it easy to resolve technical issues without being in the same room. It's designed to work across different platforms, which means whether your team uses Windows, Mac, or even mobile devices, you're covered. But here's the thing, while it's efficient, it can sometimes struggle with more advanced configurations or specific use cases. You'll find that other tools can handle certain technical nuances better. The third thing is its live chat feature. This is where GoTo Resolve starts to shine, providing real-time communication between IT support staff and end users. It's fast and responsive, and users can quickly explain their issues without waiting for email replies. However, the chat feature lacks some advanced functionalities that are available in other competitors, like video support or the ability to handle large volumes of support tickets simultaneously. Moving on to the fourth thing, GoTo Resolve's reporting capabilities. It does offer basic reports that can help you track support activity and performance. But if you're looking for in-depth analytics to drive decision-making, GoTo Resolve falls a bit short. This is an area where competing software excels, offering detailed insights and custom reports that can be a game-changer for businesses that need a high level of oversight. The fifth thing to consider is GoTo Resolve security features. While it uses encryption to protect sensitive data and has multi-factor authentication for added protection, there are more robust security tools out there that offer a broader range of protections. If your business handles extremely sensitive data or requires compliance with strict regulations, you might want to look into these alternatives. Now, let's talk about pricing. GoTo Resolve is affordable, especially if you're just getting started, but the cost can add up as you scale. You'll also run into limitations as your needs grow, and the add-ons you'll need might make the cost increase quite a bit. And that brings us to the alternatives. There are other remote IT support solutions out there that offer more flexibility at similar price points or even cheaper, depending on the features you need. So, while GoTo Resolve is a solid choice, especially for small to mid-sized businesses with basic support needs, it might not be the best fit for every scenario. That's why I've also included some incredible alternatives in the description below. These tools have better reporting, security, and scalability features, and they offer free trials so you can test them out for yourself. And when you click through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and benefits only available to our viewers. Give them a try and see which one works best for your remote IT support needs. Thanks for watching.